Woo woo woo, yeah.
What the? Whoa. That was a landing and a half. Who are you? I am the genie. The bored genie. I am summoned when somebody's bored. No, I'm not bored. What do you think? Yeah, you are. Otherwise, why would I be summoned? I'm not bored. Really, you think that's fun? It'll look very fun. Just sitting there on your bed. Well, not really, but come on, let's do something. Well, aren't you bored then? Yeah, I am the bored genie, but that doesn't mean I don't know what to do. It just means I'm bored as well. And I'm here for some company. I'd just like to be left alone, please. You like to be alone? No, you don't. Who likes to be alone? Nobody likes to be alone. I'm here when people are bored to talk to, even though I'm bored as well, most of the time. Just go. Alright, well, if you really don't want me here, I'll leave. Now, nobody likes alone, are you sure? Yes, go. Fine, I'll leave. And that is exactly what happens when I'm bored. The bored genie comes and visits me. Nothing like sunshine to wake you up in the morning. Headed off to work right now, and then we'll see what else is planned for the day. If you guys are interested in how I make that, then just let me know and I'll do a video on it. But that's my protein shake for after workouts. I use whey protein powder in it with a bunch of other stuff that helps. So, no. Alright, so I went to go see a friend that I haven't seen in a while that was from school. But they were like in the middle of nowhere. I don't know if I'm gonna bring you guys in. They're a lifeguard, they work at a pool. And apparently I got some other friends that are working there too, so. Alright, so I've been talking to them for a while. It's super hot out here, and I decided to, I didn't bring my swimsuit, so I'm gonna go swimming, but there's a lot of people in there, and so I'm just not gonna bring the camera in. Plus the camera's not waterproof, and so I don't feel like breaking it or getting it wet. So I'm gonna go swimming, and then we'll see what goes from there. Alright, so I'm done swimming now and saying hi to friends. We're gonna go, I wanna go over to the dam and get a good time lapse of the clouds moving and the water and stuff. Well, it costs like $5 to get in, and I really don't want to pay that. So we're gonna head over there and see what we can do if we can't just walk in, because it's $5 for parking. All right, so here's the plan. I'm parked at an apartment complex, and right across the street is the lake. I'm gonna go get a quick clip of that. We gotta cross the street, this busy street right there. I don't want to die, and I've decided that I will do it, but well, we'll walk down there at least and see if it's plausible. Alright, in the middle of me getting some B-roll, it starts raining. So we're gonna head in the truck real quick, because this is not, it can't get wet. Now guess what we're gonna go do? Fly the drone once the remote is done charging. guys enjoyed that drone segment. I had fun flying it with my FPV, the goggles on. But I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. So if you liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe. Make sure to turn those post notifications on, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.